Hola everyone! Welcome to Spanish. Today we will learn some useful Spanish greetings. Hola means hello. Listen carefully. Hola. Hola. Your turn. Say it clearly. Hola. Buenos días means good morning. Listen carefully. Buenos días. Now it's your turn. Say it slowly. Buenos días. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Listen carefully. Buenas tardes. Now it's your turn. Say it clearly. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas noches means good evening or good night. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Buenas noches. Your turn. Say it slowly. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Adiós means goodbye. Listen carefully. Adiós. Now it's your turn. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Adiós. Gracias means thank you. Listen carefully. Gracias. Now repeat after me. Your turn.
Gracias.
Por favor means please. Listen carefully. Now it's your turn. Say it.
Por favor.
How do we say hello in Spanish? Correct. The answer is hola. How do we say goodbye in Spanish?
Adiós.
Very good. The answer is adiós. How do we say thank you in Spanish?
Gracias.
Excellent! The answer is gracias. Today we learnt greetings and polite expressions. Excellent work. Practice these words before our next lesson. Bye for now. Muy bien, everyone. See you in lesson 2. Adiós.